How to open an account in Royal Bank of Canada online. Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the steps to open an account online with the Royal Bank of Canada or RBC, so let's get started. First, go to the official Royal Bank of Canada website. Make sure you're on the right site to ensure your information is secure. On the homepage, look for the menu and hover over and click on Personal Accounts. This will show you the different types of accounts available. Select the type of account you want to open. RBC offers various options, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and student accounts. Click on Open an account for the account type you prefer. Once you select your account, click on Open Now or Apply Now, and you will be redirected to the online application form. Complete the application form with your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Make sure to provide accurate information. To comply with the regulations, you need to verify your identity, so this may involve answering security questions or providing identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. Once you've filled out all necessary information, review your application for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections before submitting. After reviewing, click on Submit, and you may receive a confirmation email with details. After your account is approved, set up your online banking profile. This will allow you to manage your account, view transactions, and make transfers easily and right at the moment. And that's it. You now know how to open an account online with the Royal Bank of Canada. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching.